Welcome to our presentation on digital business and Salesforce.com. Let's start with a look at the definition of digital business. Digital business means seamless communication between people and things, enabled by integrated technology to design new business models, improve decision making and deliver higher value to customers and to the business itself. Digitization is incorporated in customer relations and in internal operations. As the wave of digital transformation is pervasive in every industry, future success depends on the ability to turn digital technology and data into disruptive business models. Hence, we have analyzed Fortune's 100 most admired companies to see how today's most successful companies compare to our definition of a digital business. A look at the top 20 positions reveals companies for which digital strategy is at the heart of the business model to different extents. We have assigned the top 20 companies with a value from 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest, based on their score in innovation, on recent investments in digital technology we could find on their IR pages, and on our judgments from a customer's view. We see right away that more successful companies tend to score higher due to digital business. So what we found within our research was that a substantial investment in data-driven decision-making is one of the characteristics of those companies, as well as a strategic focus on integrated technologies and new positions like a chief data or chief digital officer at e.g. Apple, GE and Starbucks. Salesforce is the #1 provider of customer relationship management CRM software, tools aimed at managing and improving the relationship with customers, prospects and partners from a single unified platform. The company focuses on creating a personalized CRM platform running on cloud technology and driven by social, mobile and data analytics engines. The applications are designed to be easy and intuitive to use. It has a heterogeneous customer base consisting of small, medium and large businesses. The majority of costs come from marketing and sales with 51%, followed by developing costs which make 15%. Salesforce sells its platform mainly via sales personnel, which is supported by a high number of open job postings on their website. Second in job postings comes software developers. Integrated technologies allow targeted sales across industries and countries. What made Salesforce the leader in CRM systems is its integrated approach that takes the best of a social network, database management, and a third-party app store. This value proposition makes Salesforce a company with digital business at its core. Its strategy focuses on customer data analysis tools to support decision-making through proactive client support. Salesforce's business strategy started by providing a single CRM cloud. Today, the company is operating a multi-cloud strategy, which includes the main CRM cloud, a marketing, financial and community cloud, and a third-party app exchange platform. The next step for Salesforce is an Internet of Things, or IoT cloud, that brings all the platforms together, announced to launch by the end of 2016. While competitors such as SAP are still developing their cloud technologies, Salesforce users could have the opportunity to make use of this huge amount of real-time data to have real-time customer insight and trigger the appropriate action in the shortest possible time. The IoT cloud is an engine that connects devices, sensors, applications and more from the Internet of Things. The IoT cloud will allow Salesforce users to create real-time, one-on-one, proactive actions, delivering a new kind of customer success. This is a great example of a digital business strategy. Among the new partners for the IoT cloud are ARM, Etherios, Informatica and a few other IoT ventures. Internally, these partnerships would create a more powerful way to connect Salesforce with its current and potential customers. Furthermore, Salesforce could decrease its sales and advertising costs through more targeted advertising. In comparison, Microsoft takes a less holistic approach in partnering with the Adobe Marketing Cloud solution, focusing on the marketing aspect of CRM only. Oracle focuses on developing technologies in-house. It acquired the cloud service provider Maximizer in August this year to stop guessing and start delivering what customers want across all digital channels and devices.
Today, Salesforce is the #1 provider of CRM services. One of the main reasons for the company's success is that its software was conceived to run on cloud technology, removing all cost of expensive infrastructure, and to be accessible everywhere via browser and mobile. However, the general trend in CRM softwares is to move to the cloud, increasing competition. Being a cloud software will no longer be a differentiating point for Salesforce. So how will it change its business model and strategy to maintain growth and profitability? One opportunity comes from the IoT cloud. This could transform Salesforce offering from traditional reactive customer management to real-time customer engagement, with automated intelligent actions defined by data-driven decisions, proactive engagement, personalized services, and a predictive approach. This means that instead of solving problems, companies will identify and prevent the problems before their customers see them arise. Salesforce's IoT Cloud in itself is just another big data analytics platform that collects, digests, and stores streams of unstructured data. The real value lies in the integration with the core of Salesforce CRM products. The IoT Cloud will work seamlessly across the entire CRM platform, feeding the analyzed data to the other clouds to create real-time updated customer profiles, triggering data-driven actions in sales, services, marketing, and all other business processes. A second opportunity comes from small and mid-sized businesses. Large enterprises make up for 50% of the company's revenue. The reason is that Salesforce charges on a per-user basis. However, it is in fact small businesses that have registered the strongest growth from implementing the services, especially in the fields of digital marketing and customer service. Salesforce has the opportunity to increase the customer base by addressing small, innovative startups and mid-sized businesses, possibly by providing a slimmer and less pricey version of their service. Let's have a look at the future of the CRM industry and at the strategy that we think Salesforce should apply. Next year, the biggest event for Salesforce will be the launch of the IoT Cloud. The industry as a whole is in consolidation to enrich the depth of their current feature sets. In 3 years' time, Salesforce's most popular application could be the Cloud Data Wizard, a free app launched in April 2015. It provides integrated data from Salesforce.com and external sources in a less holistic version than the IoT Cloud. Gartner predicts that the strong demand for software as a service will continue with positive impact on Salesforce. In 5 years' time, we are likely to see Salesforce.com customers shift to the IoT Cloud. This shift requires Salesforce to provide a platform and a partnership to build an ecosystem that collects and mines data. About 1/4 of CRM spending is in communication, media, and IT, followed by manufacturing and banking. The latter are likely to be early adopters of the IoT Cloud. Finally, in 10 years' time, it is likely that Salesforce will be purchased by a major technology player like Microsoft or Oracle. On an industry level, integrated technology brings mobile, social, cloud, and connected computing together in real time to automate the majority of business decisions. Let's have a look at two possible scenarios that Salesforce could encounter in the future. The first scenario is the IoT Cloud being a success. A pilot of the IoT Cloud will be launched in January 2016. It represents a major step forward for the company, as it enables to deliver a more connected value proposition. Implementing an efficient strategy can deeply enhance the competitiveness and sustain Salesforce's leading position in the cloud area. Firstly, Salesforce needs to use the IoT Cloud to disrupt and improve its operational processes in customer support. With the ability to capture massive amounts of data, they will need to use it to make smarter decisions to create a better customer experience. For example, it could forward the calls from VIP customers directly to the most suitable service team. Secondly, Salesforce needs to establish key strategic partnership. For example, it could strengthen the partnership with Microsoft. This will set stage for interoperability and drive the creation of ecosystems. Informatica is another key partner to provide software connectors to get the data out of a legacy system and into Salesforce CRM system to improve the communication with customers. Informatica is the most suitable partner for Salesforce as it is already familiar with the system, while also being a specialist in data security and governance. The company went private in August 2015, and Salesforce has already made a strategic investment. Another scenario would be Microsoft buying Salesforce. According to Bloomberg News, Microsoft is interested in buying Salesforce for $400 billion. It is unlikely that the merger will happen with any other acquirer. SAP, for example, has bought the expense and travel management software Concur. Oracle has raised $10 billion in debt, and the company is quite risk-averse. Finally, Amazon, that would be a good fit for Salesforce, just isn't profitable and does not have enough capital to buy Salesforce. Buying Salesforce represents a major opportunity for Microsoft, as it would enable the company to considerably grow in the space of cloud and mobile computing and complement Microsoft's own dynamic CRM platform. Considering Salesforce shares in the CRM space and its fast revenue growth, the acquisition would enable Microsoft to gain considerable market shares in the CRM space, grow its offering, and bring a major community of developers to the company. It would also enable further development in wearable apps, profiting from Salesforce Wear Developer Pack, their investment in the IoT Cloud, and a cloud-based Salesforce platform. Salesforce has a major advantage, its customers. More precisely, its presence across various customer segments. Considering this fact, it is undoubtable that Salesforce is asking for a higher price than Microsoft's initial $55 billion offer. We recommend that Salesforce reevaluates the offer from Microsoft after reviewing the results of the IoT Cloud. Thank you.